Okay, guys. Well, we're at like this Reading Air Show. This is Billy. This is Magnus. And like, we're next to a whole bunch of planes and stuff.
Later on, what we may do is I may go around and name a whole bunch of guns from World War II.
Yeah, maybe.
If we ever get out of this airport runway thing.
Right now it's like extremely
It is
hot.
hot.
Oh wait, we could sit under here for a little bit.
So we're gonna be under the wing of this. It's not hot.
Well, we're gonna see you guys later with whatever we're doing. Oh. Hey guys, so right now we're kind of in a hurry. There's a plane like leaving right now, so we're kind of sort of in a big hurry to get this on footage or whatever.
You guys may not be able to see it, but Spirit of Freedom.
There's other planes in the sky if you can't hear it and stuff, but there are planes in the sky.
Take a picture of it.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe later, guys, I might go like all the way down there, wherever down there is, and shoot a few guns or something.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, guys, I think this is the takeoff zone. It could be.
Anyway.
Could you only imagine getting hit by that plane?
Oh yeah. Really rip out your inside.
And grind your bones into dust.
Yeah. So
Quite fun.
we're gonna stop the video here,
And
then we'll get back to you and what we're doing next.
and
See you
when it
guys
actually starts to
in about an
fly,
hour,
yeah, maybe,
maybe, depending on how.
yeah. And well, it's gonna be. Well, we're gonna start again in a few minutes to show you that
What
taking
time
off.
is it?
I have no idea. It might be taking off now.
Wait, we're gonna get some action. Taking off. Look at those guys! They can just park there and watch the show.
That's the
Those guys, they can just park there and watch
plane.
the show.
Oh guys, over here.
Well, we got kicked out, pretty much.
Across the field, you'll see that our emergency rescue vehicles are in parade on the other side of the taxiway. They're moving into the positions that they will maintain within our air show.
So I'm gonna pause the video right now and just play it back when it starts to fly and take off. Bye. That's not the plane, but see, there's like planes flying along the skies.
Sound of freedom the way it blows.
Wait, they're still having regular airlines? Or no?
I think that's just like a plane for the show.
Slow down! I'm filming
Let's move up, let's move up.
Move away from it, you don't want to get sucked in.
It doesn't matter if you get sucked in, that'll just make the footage a lot better.
Authorized.
Isn't that right, YouTube? Yeah, you like that kind of stuff.
You can actually ride.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's cool. Oh.
Whoa! Billy, the wing just passed right over us. We were too caught up in riding a small plane as the wing just went straight over us. This is a Spirit of Freedom plane.
Oh, come on, come on.
And it might be a bit loud for you guys.
Yeah, that's fine.
There goes another plane. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video
Watch
when
the
it
propellers.
starts to fly. Okay, guys. Well, guys, apparently so far looks like it's not taking off. I don't think so.
As a liaison aircraft, the short lines aircraft. Heavy armor.
Should we stop moving along, guys?
I wish I was an authorized person.
Oh, they had many, many names.
Do you think we should like stop moving back now?
Why are these so expensive?
These small airplanes,
Airplanes are.
fly out of unimproved.
But we're not going anywhere.
Check it out. They're already in it.
You want to put on a helmet, anybody?
All right. Thank you. Do you guys want to put shoots on? Want to put parachutes on?
No.
Waving the wings to you is Paul Smith. He is Viper L4.
Ready.
All right, so you gotta have to take your backpacks off and set them down. Just put them under the table there.
I'm mistake them for a backpack, though.
Don't worry.
I'm mistake them for.
All right, so we got 3 shoots. You're the biggest guy. You come over here.
Me?
You're gonna get the.
Well, right now it's putting on parachutes and stuff.
Put your arm back, Betty.
I'm gonna have to pause the video, guys, while they put on my parachute because I don't think I'll be able to like hold this and have the parachute on. So I'm just gonna pause right now, okay?
Over there.
He's ready to go down fighting.
Just a second, I'll put you guys in.
Isn't that right, Jello?
Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah.
Go in and look at him, okay?
Okay, so right now we're going in one of the planes. And this is like tilted at an angle right now.
Over there. There's all their supplies. Please not sit on seats. Oh, come on. Here's where they sat. That's not fair. Come on. We gotta sit on these seats. We gotta feel like how it was. On the looks of it, this was not paratroopers.
Definitely not.
Because if it was paratroopers, then there'd probably be like a hatch in the back.
And a few more doors than just that one.
All right, let's head into the cockpit. Oh.
But if I hit OK, wait. But if I hit OK, then the video might just stop.
Battery.
Oh, we had a little difficulty.
It looks like LM.
Oh, did you break your finger?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Or should I put it?
Some people put it on their arm, some people stick it on their shirt. Put it on your head.
Incentive to see what the history was.
Put on here for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the case. You know, in a crash, the plane can be so distorted. You can't get out the windows or the doors, so you cut a hole. You could be trapped in the front of the section of the airplanes.
And somebody just walks over.
Or it's for knocking out the glass. You have to go out through the windshield.
And they have windows. Lucky.
We fly with those open, so it's pretty cool.
And you get to put your arms out.
Yeah. Yeah, well, at least your elbow. You want to put your arm out.
If you put your arm out, what
You're
happens?
140 miles an
So
hour.
I
Say
stuck.
goodbye to your arm.
Yeah.
Yay.
You have a hard time getting it back in.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna be kind of still recording.
It's real steep. Real steep. And we somehow beat the line.
And be just stopped. Huh? Let's just hope it's recording.
Try to be like,
Well, if it's recording.
pause it. Battery.
Just happened to like go.